Hello friends, before we go ahead with niche selection, I would like to show you various affiliate marketing websites as a case study who are earning monthly $50,000 to $100,000 per month only through affiliate net marketing. So let's see which these websites are. The first website is Outdoor Gear Lab. It is an Amazon affiliated website and it promotes Amazon products. They promote high ticket items from for more than $100 products. They promote all outdoor gears and travel gear products on their websites. All they do is they take Amazon products, review them, write a detailed review about them, and promote them through their own affiliate link. You can see here in this article they are promoting and comparing various products on Amazon, and they have listed different prices of their products and given different reviews, what are their pros, what are their cons in a tabular form. And here you can find out, here is their Amazon affiliate link. If any person comes here, read their review and buy any of the products through on Amazon through their affiliate link, they will receive commission. And this website Outdoor Gear Lab is receiving at least $100,000 per month as Amazon affiliate commission. If we see their traffic through our similar web, we can see they are receiving monthly 2.2 million visits. So 2.2 million people visit this website. So if we have even 1% conversion rate, they might be earning from anywhere from $100,000 to $200,000 per month only through Amazon affiliate network or Amazon affiliate website. Sorry, only through affiliate network. The second website, which is very innovative, is This Is Why I'm Broke. Now this, if you as the domain name, we can know that it's a very innovative website. It's very catchy domain name, and the best thing about this website is they don't write a big review or big article about any product. All they do is simply they just choose weird and different kinds of product. They just write a small and short paragraph about that product, and that's it. And if any person comes here and buys any product from these websites, they receive commission from Amazon. They don't do much of a big articles. And so we can see that even if you don't write long articles or as Outdoor Gear Lab writes, still you can succeed in an Amazon affiliate website. Many people just think they have a mindset that it is that affiliate marketing is too hard, and it's saturated and you can't succeed in that. But believe me, it is easy compared to the 9 to 5 hard work that you have to do. All you have to do is just write articles once, and then if any promote those articles on a regular basis, and if anybody buys, you can receive commission. You don't have to actively write articles again and again. For example, this website, they don't even write long tail articles. They write just small and short and sweet paragraph and promote any product, and they receive commission from Amazon. So you can see, all you have to do is just to be a little bit of innovative. You have to do just better from other Amazon affiliates. You have to research on different Amazon affiliates under your niche and do something different or something better, a little bit of different and better, and you can succeed in this game. So if we check out their traffic, they're receiving monthly 2.6 million visits per month, and so we can say that they might be earning anywhere from around $100,000 to $200,000 per month on Amazon affiliate commissions. The third website is 10beast. 10beast is a techno products review websites. They review technological products such as mobile accessories, gaming apps, gaming products, and various others, headphones, and all kinds of technology related products. And they are also Amazon affiliate websites. They promote Amazon affiliate products. They write a review about different kinds of products available on Amazon and list them out. And if anybody buys from this website, they receive commission. If we check their traffic, they receive monthly 266,000 visitors. So out of 266,000 visitors, if 1% is the conversion rate minimum, they might be earning around $50,000 to between $50,000 to $100,000 per month. Third website that we are going to talk about is a niche website on headphones. They promote headphones, different kinds of headphones, and they are also high mid-ticket or high-ticket product. They promote high mid-ticket or high-ticket product that is above $50 to $200, $300 anywhere. And the good thing about medium ticket or high ticket item is that you receive more commission. If you compare to the pricing structure, you receive more bucks as a commission because it's in a percentage and you receive good amount of commission if you promote mid-ticket or high-ticket items, that is products which are above $50 to anywhere limit. So what they do is they write different kinds of articles on different headphones, and if any person buys headphones through their affiliate links, then they receive commission from Amazon. So this is Headphones Addict. One more website that we are going to see, it's not an Amazon affiliate network website. They use they promote softwares and products and courses. For example, here you can see they promote SEO and softwares, social media, and then training courses. They promote different training courses, different softwares, SEO, themes and plugins. Now they are not affiliated with Amazon but different other affiliate networks, and they receive commission. Now these affiliate networks pay more than Amazon affiliate networks, and we are going to look what these kind of affiliate networks are and how to join them in the course ahead. So you might have gotten an idea. Don't get overwhelmed with these things. It is achievable. All you have to do is just start with affiliate marketing. Get your website ready within 1 or 2 weeks and start writing articles. We will share with the blueprint on how to go from $0 to $1,000 within 2 or 3 months with free traffic, and then we can go on ahead with paid traffic to go to $10,000 and more. So now in the next lecture we are going to go with niche research and niche selection, how to find profitable niche for our affiliate network marketing business.